Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is your Rakshita Shetty. How are you guys doing? So आज का वीडियो बहुत ही खास है because this is my first giveaway video. This is a wonderful time for it क्योंकि आप बहुत सारे लोग क्वारंटाइन है, घर पे बैठे हैं, कुछ सोच रहे करने का, तो मैं यहाँ आपको देती हूँ giveaway products. Here you go. So this is today's video is on SSCPL herbal products because they have sent me a bunch of products which needs to be reviewed and I would show you what they have sent to me. Let's start with the video. Okay, so the first product is the hair spa. They have sent me this box of hair spa. So SSAPL, an anti-dandruff hair spa cream. You know, this is for your scalp. You can use it as a conditioner. So if you're struggling with dandruff, this is one solution which you can have it. That is called a scalp repair anti-dandruff. So जो स्पा के साथ आप स्पा क्रीम के साथ इसको 4 to 5 ड्रॉप्स आप यूज़ करें, उसको अप्लाई करें और रख दीजिए, आपको डिफरेंस समझ में आ जाएगा. आपके थिन हेयर है तो 4 to 5 ड्रॉप्स, आपके अगर थिक हेयर है तो 7 to 8 ड्रॉप्स इज़ इनफ. Just apply along with your conditioner or your spa cream and see the results. So this is how it looks. You know, you just have to apply 2 to 3 drops of it in your hair spa cream and you are good to go with your hair solution. They have also sent me this soap box. These are the sandal shea butter soap and this smells amazing. It also nourishes your body, so you can use these soaps apart from using your Lifebuoy soap. It's good one. They have sent me this talc powder and this is been, you know, so refreshing. You just apply it on your underarms or wherever you use it, your powders, and this smells really good since it's herbal, so it is very much effective as well. Let me share you the exotic range of products they have got for a shower gel and for scrub, also for your night creams. So let's start. This one is the chocolate scrub and this really smells like a chocolate. So you apply it in your body, hands, legs or face. You can use it on your face as well, and this you need to scrub it. It is so amazing. It feels smooth. Also the smell is like cocoa smell. If you're a cocoa lover, you need to use the scrub, babe. If you are a person like me who likes to travel and don't cover your face and you get tanned, so this is the amazing detan pack which you can apply for your face. Keep it for 10-15 minutes before your bath and see the results. And this is good, gives you skin whitening and also helps you to get your dead cells out of your face. Once you have detanned your skin, then goes this gel. So this gel is a skin lightening gel. This helps you to get the shine back on your face. You can apply this after your face pack. Keep it rested for the whole day. We have always heard about the aloe vera benefit, and here I get you the SSAPL aloe vera gel. This helps you to keep your skin cool and calm, and you know, it feels you refreshing. So try using this aloe vera gel. This helps you also to get some of this acne issues, and you know, it also controls your oil from your face. And last but not the least, these are the two products. So one is the night cream for your under eye. So this you can use it for your under eye skin. This is the skincare cream. This contains olive oil, wheat germ oil and sesame oil. This multiple oil contains of the cream help you to rejuvenate your skin and also get the whole youth out of your skin. As you know that a salt water bath is a very good therapy for your skin and your body. So here I got you the lavender salt bath. So this contain a lavender essence in that, and it is used for your hand and foot bath or your body bath. This could also rejuvenate your body and it smells really nice. To tell you more about this Kaya Kalpa cream, so this is majorly used for your elbows dark skin and for your knee dark skin. This can help to get you rid of those dark skin dead cells and good look. Please do not forget to take care your mosquito repellent cream along with you wherever you're traveling, and they have got this amazing product which you can use it and मच्छर आपके यहाँ से छू हो जाएंगे. Okay, as I said, this video is a special video because it's a giveaway video. To tell you the rules about the giveaway video is I'm gonna be giving away worth 1000 rupees product. So what you have to do is simple. You have to first subscribe my channel, also to tell more of your friend to subscribe my channel, and just drop a comment that I have subscribed for so and so person. I mean, you can help them to win the giveaway. So please go and subscribe to my channel, drop a comment and share it with more and more friends so that they can also participate in this giveaway competition and earn 1000 rupees value worth of product. I would personally meet them and give this product. So here is the giveaway prize. Guys, let's go for it. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to give a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also do not forget to participate in giveaway. I am eagerly waiting to meet you, also to give you 1000 rupees worth value product. Do not miss it, guys. These are amazing product. You should use it. Bye. Lots of love.